TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 7. You get the NASDAQ up 5. S&P's a flat. Gold contract down $2.50, trading at $12.48 an ounce. We have silver down 5 cents, $18.21 an ounce. Platinum is flat, $9.49 an ounce. Copper is down a half a penny, $2.64 a pound. Light sweet crude down a nickel, $50.56 a barrel. Notes. 10-year note up 7 ticks, 124.25. 30-year bond up 9 ticks, 151.04. Now, both notes and bonds, they just keep rejecting lower price. Did it all last week on the daily, weekly, bottom line. They want to go after those higher swing points. That's higher price, lower yield. King dollar. King dollar up 237 ticks, trading at 100.455. Now, King dollar last week, folks, got up into its March 15th downdraft. Got into that level, rejected it on the daily, rejected it on the weekly. Bottom line, the number to keep your eye on King dollar is 100.320. You're 135 ticks over that right now. That's where the downdraft came in. That's where there's a lot of selling that's taking place. The euro is trading at 106 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 111 to the U.S. dollar. Well, you know, when we take a look at the SPY, what you're looking at is this. SPY last week, we got up to a price point on Friday of the 236.51. You're slamming right into the downdraft that had been created out there on the 21st. You had dramatically lighter volume. Bottom line, we'll see if we get a back down with volume out here today. You got window dressing happening on, so you got a bullish bias, no doubt, that's in the marketplace. That being said, it couldn't handle price on Friday. Dow Industrials is the weak dog out here. It's up $8. Bottom line, Dow 20,671. The number to keep your eye on is 20,653. That is the low of the downdraft of the 21st. Now, the composite and the NDX 100, they both failed on Friday on price and on volume. We got up and over the high, which was the 59.28. We got up to the level of 59. We hit 59.2780. This morning, we did hit to 59.28.92. So there's your test. Bottom line, we'll see whether it can hold it. I suspect we're not going to hold it. NDX 100, exact same type of setup. Got up into it and just couldn't handle that price. So we'll see how this does shake out. The 3 Qs. What do you have with the 3 Qs? Daily, weekly, all of the above. 3 Qs last week got up to a price point of 132.74. The number to keep your eye on is 132.43. You failed on price and volume. You're up testing this level once again this morning. We've got to 132.81. Right now, you're at 132.68. Gold contract. What do we have with the gold contract? Gold contract last week had rejected lower price, had lighter volume. Now what you're going to see is it going to make a run for the swing high number 1 of the 27th of March, which is 1264, and it's been building cause for quite a while to try to get up into and over the February 27th level. On this contract, you're talking about 1269. Silver, folks, showed some strength last week. Silver wouldn't back off, and that's positive for the metals market in general. And it's not backing off today. Silver looks to me like it wants to run to this $19.06. So underlying that market, that metal market out there, we have some heavy strength. Bonds and notes are confirming that this market wants to go south. Bottom line, you get the 10-year breaking out today. It's going to be interesting to see what the 10-year can do. We're at 124.25. 124.29 is the number. You take that out with volume today, you get a large ABC structure on the way up. King dollar. What do we have with King dollar? King dollar continues to struggle at that price point of the downdraft from the 15th of March. That's 100.320. Right now, you're up into that with anemic volume. We'll see whether it can hold or not. Bottom line, what you can expect is a sideways to slightly lower market out here today. We got window dressing, but guess what? There's no fancy windows out here today, folks. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
If If you're looking to unearth a new financial resource and diversify your financial portfolio, consider the new market-safe core commodity CD from Everbank. This 5-year U.S. dollar-denominated CD gives you exposure to 4 equally weighted commodities: gold, copper, WTI oil, and sugar, in one powerful CD. With no pricing caps, you can potentially earn an unlimited upside payment at maturity if the commodities increase in value across semi-annual pricing dates. And should the opposite occur, your principal is 100% protected. Keep in mind, returns are based on CD performance. There's no annual percentage yield or periodic rate of interest on this index CD. Don't miss out. With certain commodities on the rebound, now is the time to take advantage. The March 23rd funding deadline will be here before you know it. So call 1-855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN for the CD's term sheet and other important product details and disclosures. Once more, that's 1-855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. This advertisement is sponsored content. Everbank is a member FDIC.